This light kit includes one 6-foot LED strip light, one function controller, one piece of adhesive tape, one cord clip, 5 mounting strips, and 5 mounting screws. Line up the connector's arrow with the tape light's arrow and connect. Plug into USB adapter, not included. Mount within 5 feet of an electrical outlet. Clean surface with rubbing alcohol. Attach adhesive tape to function controller. Peel off liner and mount controller to surface. Peel off the tape light liner and mount to desired location. If you need to cut off excess tape, ensure light is unplugged beforehand. Cut only on the cut symbols. Add cord clip. Download the Good Earth Lighting app by scanning the QR code on the tape light. In the app, click Add Device. Press Function Controller button until light blinks. Next to Discovering Devices, click Add. Click Smart Wi-Fi Controller G4. Enter Wi-Fi info for your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Wait for device to connect. Once it is connected, click Done. Choose from millions of white light and RGB colors. Choose a scene. Schedule the lights. Have the tape light react to sound.